Good morning, guys. I hope everybody's having an awesome day. My name is Rod and this is MotorTube. If you're stopping by for the first time, smash the subscribe button, turn your notification bell on to stay up to date with the videos and be part of the family. And today I'm gonna let my friend Rush take my car for a ride. We're gonna see his reaction. So we're gonna take it to the GoPro and we're gonna see what he thinks of the car and we're gonna try to capture his reaction. So let's get it. All right, guys, so we got Rush over here. This is the fastest car he's ever been in, right?
Pretty much. I've never been in anything with this kind of crazy power, so
so
a little excited.
All right, so he's gonna drive it, give us what he thinks of it. We're gonna get his reaction and we're gonna see what he thinks of this car. So I love doing videos like this because everybody needs to experience this car. A Hellcat's already crazy enough, but once you do it up like this, it's even crazier. And I love to give people the opportunity to kind of feel it and see what they think of it. And that's pretty much it. So let's get it.
Yeah, right off the bat, I can tell you it's a lot more jumpy on the throttle compared to my car, and it's loud. Definitely loud in here. Oh my god. That's really jumpy. Is this the mode that you usually race in? Is that why the car is kind of trained to be very aggressive?
I put it in custom.
Gotcha.
Transmission is in track, paddle shifter's on, power's obviously 700 plus, traction street, suspension street. I usually, if I'm doing a dig race, I turn traction completely off. We don't want to do that right now. We're not on our drag setup, so we're gonna hit somebody with it.
Because the sun is in my eye. Yeah, no, that was a really jumpy. Try to be easy on the throttle. And this is, you have headers on this, right?
No, I have JBA mid pipes and no cats.
Oh, okay, okay. That's loud.
Yeah, the JBA kind of like shake. I don't really want my car to be loud. I kind of keep it like, I mean, it's not going to be a sleeper if they watch my channel, but like if you just look at it, be like, oh, it's just a regular, you know, stock. Okay. I don't like loud because I want to hear the whine.
Yeah, the whine is not good.
So I have a JLT intake.
Yeah.
So that's what I have.
Okay, I'm going to go like partial throttle right here just to get a feel. So let's feel it. Linear power, it just keeps going.
Oh yeah, it goes upstairs.
So it's definitely not like the turbo or anything like that where it's you know, it goes slow and then it builds up very quick. It's super linear, it just keeps going, building up.
You can like downshift it to second gear. Were you a second gear?
Where you just have like an endless smile on your face, and you just can't stop. Especially if you've never experienced anything like it.
Right.
I mean, I've been in regular Hellcats and driven regular Hellcats, but this just feels like a little bit of a different animal altogether. Now, you don't have any suspension work done to this thing.
I mean, beside an aftermarket drive shaft that can handle 1000 wheel plus.
Okay,
that's pretty much it. But
I mean, the travel is nice because it's like squatting, you know.
It does, yeah. It squats even more with a drag setup.
With the drag,
crazy,
right?
yeah.
With the tire.
Yeah, no suspension.
No, that felt really nice. I mean, and I'm still being like iffy on the throttle.
Yeah, you didn't hit it because I can tell. I usually see the way the speedometer moves is I can tell if he's on it or not. But he hasn't really been on it like that.
Yeah.
That's why I'm like relaxing.
You're not worried yet, huh? You know, it feels good.
What do you think of it? Like, could you see yourself driving this every single day? Because to me, I can't like, see myself driving every day. I feel like it's just too much.
I think it's way overkill for like everyday driving. Yeah. Especially given like if you're in stop and go traffic, stuff like that, it's gonna be a nightmare trying to. And I feel bad for the car. I feel like the car doesn't like being, you know, in that kind of a condition.
It doesn't like to keep
It just wants to run, you know, like it just wants to keep moving.
I mean, these what these Hellcats are made for. They're made for to get beat on. That's what they love. They can handle it. They love that. They love the power. So they don't want to keep stopping.
So here we go. Now we're gonna give it the full enchilada.
Put it in manual mode.
But then I gotta upshift, right?
No, it'll shift everything on its own.
Even in manual mode?
Yeah, it's tuned.
Oh,
yeah.
okay. So
downshift to like second gear for.
We're gonna do a 40 pull.
Second gear.
Yeah, 1, 2, 3. Oh my god! I've never experienced anything like that. You feel the G-forces.
Yeah.
It's like someone kicked you in the chest.
It feels good.
It feels really good.
But
it definitely was spinning though.
To get the full effect of this car is on the drag setup that I have.
I'm sure then it just breaks your neck.
Literally like the whole front end goes up in the air.
I can feel a little bit of that. I can definitely feel the weight transfer. Yeah.
But it's definitely like even crazier when you.
But it takes your breath away when it kicks in and it gets moving.
Once it hooks.
Yeah.
Once the hooks and goes, it's like okay, now you're just. And you can take this all the way up to literally like as much as you want, like to 200.
Speed wise, yeah, no.
The top speed on this is 204.
Wow.
So this will go upstairs. It keeps going. Yeah, it has crazy top end.
But the thing is, I like about Hellcats is even with this crazy power, it doesn't scare you enough to like a lot of other cars.
No,
you know,
it doesn't go anywhere. It doesn't get loose.
You know, so it still feels planted. It still is very predictable of where it's going.
Because it's heavy.
Yeah. But so like a lot of lighter cars, like let's say Camaros, Mustangs, once you start adding that crazy power, is when you start, it gets a little sketchy, you know, like it feels like, you know, the car wants to get sideways.
It's fishtails, like this, I mean, we're spinning, but it doesn't fishtail, it just, you know, it'll catch us up and go.
You can still know where you're heading, kind of, a little bit of adjustment.
Sure that's why they kind of made it this heavy, really, so it doesn't, you know, cause accidents, and because they have the Pirellis on here, the Pirellis are terrible.
Yeah.
So if it fishtailed, it would literally hit something.
Definitely.
So it'll just catch yourself.
No, definitely very drivable for the amount of power it's pushing, and you feel good. You don't feel like you don't worry about anything, which I really like. So that whine is so addictive.
Right.
It is incredible.
And it eats fuel like it's nothing.
Especially E85, I'm guessing it's going to be
85, eats it like nothing. Alright guys, so we switched seats. He wasn't really pushing it because it's obviously his first time driving it, and
well, it's not my car, so
I get it. So now I'm going to get behind the wheel and I'm going to push it and see his reaction. So let's get it. Setup is obviously new, but man, you never get old.
How big of a difference is it from when you had it to now?
Day and night difference. I feel like stock Hellcat, you're gonna. You smell that? Is that brakes?
Probably.
You definitely get tired of that power. Honestly, I have gotten tired of that power. When it's stock, you kind of get tired of it, but once you modify it, you're like not gonna get tired of it. But you're gonna want. It's like a drug. You're gonna want to keep modifying, especially when you race. And if you race and lose, and then you're gonna go modify, and it's a never ending. Yeah, it's never. Well, I mean, I'm like at the ending right now with this car. I mean, I could turn it up, go smaller pulleys, make like 950 wheel, and then I would need to put nitrous. Now, I run this car reliable, so I'm not expecting this car to blow up. I'm not guys, me and Russ just got back, took him for a ride. We got his reaction and his opinion of the car. Now let's talk to him and see what he thinks of it before we end the video. Talk to us, Rush.
Yo, that ride is definitely quick. You know, the power just feels amazing. The way it moves out is ridiculous, especially for the weight of the Hellcats.
The boat, it's a boat.
You know, the boat.
It's a boat.
To have something move out that quick is it's something you have to experience. It's really hard to put into words, but
right. But you enjoyed it, right?
I drive the SRT every day, and that was, you know, night and day pretty much difference. You have like almost double the power, right?
I think it's night and day with just a regular Hellcat.
Yeah.
So you enjoyed it though, right?
No, I loved it.
All right.
You know, smiling from ear to ear, and you don't get that every day.
Oh man. Alright guys, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a big thumbs up. If you're new to this channel, smash the subscribe button, turn your notification bell on to stay up to date with the videos and be part of the family, and I will catch you guys on the next upload. Peace out.